After making your own almond milk at home, you wouldn't ever want to buy a store-bought almond milk. To make this, add 1 cup of almond, soak it overnight, and remove the skin afterwards. You want to remove the skin if you don't want to strain it. If you want to strain it, don't remove the skin. It's all good. Add your almond in a blender. Add some dates, add vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, 4 cups of water, and blend everything to smooth. Pour it in a glass and refrigerate it. Use it as any regular milk, and that's it. This is excellent for pregnant and breastfeeding mamas. No addition and no subtraction. This is pure gold in a glass.
So hey mama, drink up to hydrate. I hope you like it and you're gonna make it soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please subscribe.